Ultratech Cement plans to raise up to 5,000 crore rupees, but instead of taking only a bank loan, it is approaching bond investors. Why would a large company choose bonds over banks? Ultratech has approved raising up to 5,000 crore rupees through non-convertible debentures or NCDs in one or more tranches. An NCD is essential, a loan taken from investors. The company receives the money, pays a fixed interest or coupon, and returns the principal when the bond matures. These bonds are non-convertible, which means the investors will not receive Ultratech shares in exchange. The proposed bonds are unsecured, listed, rated, and denominated in Indian rupees. Ultratech's official announcement does not specify that the entire amount will be used for one particular project. The company is, however, undertaking a large expansion program across cement capacity and other businesses. So, the most accurate interpretation is that the fundraising provides capital for broader corporate requirements, which may include expansion, refinancing, working capital, and other funding needs. For a highly rated company, bonds can sometimes provide capital at a competitive interest rate. They also reduce dependence on banks and allow the company to borrow directly from institutions such as mutual funds and insurance companies. Bonds can help lock in borrowing costs for a fixed period. They can also be structured across different maturity dates, reducing the pressure of repaying the full amount at once. Using bonds allows Ultratech to preserve its bank limits for working capitals, guarantees, and other operational requirements. For bonds investors, the attraction is very relatively predictable interest income and exposure to a highly rated companies without taking equity market volatility. But bonds are not risk-free. Investors must still access credit risk, interest rate risk, liquidity, and the terms of the issues. Ultratech's bonds issue is not simply about borrowing money. It shows how large companies use their credit rating and access to capital markets to diversify funding and finance long-term growth. Follow Chola Securities for more such information.
This content is for informational purposes only. None of the companies, products, or sectors mentioned are recommendations.